Yo, what is up today, guys? Ghost Explorations out here with my man Kyle or Cowbro. We're checking out an abandoned racetrack today. I used to come here as a child all the time. Every Friday night was race night. Some of my childhood heroes when I was a kid would perform at this racetrack every Friday night, and a name that I remember clearly to this day is Mark Boom Boom Bloom. He was like a legend out here at this track, guys, and I'm so happy to show you this place. This place is a really special place for me. As you can see, we got some bleachers over here. Now we're walking towards one of the areas that has the grandstands on it. Cal and I did want to point out to you guys that when I was a kid, this whole area was not like this. It was just dirt the whole way through. And so it's really crazy to see it now, because it's not dirt the whole way through. It's overgrowth and stuff. You used to be able to walk all the way around the track. It was just dirt and everything. Like in the center of the track was like the pit stops and everything, and it was just, you know, I think they only had like 20 to like maybe 30 laps a race, but it was still cool to come check out the NASCARs. Look at this, we got the old grandstands over here and like an old eatery area. I'll show you the racetrack. Look at all this stuff, guys. The NASCAR pavilion. Yeah. Look at that, the old bleachers. The old racetrack. Look at this. Look how crazy this place is, guys. Look at just all of these old placards and stuff. Somebody went to town on all this stuff. So crazy. Just as a preface, guys, they even have the, oh, if you're not 18, you can't get a drink thing here, so that's really cool.
Well, paperwork, Richard Mitchell apparently never picked up his $1,000.
Shit. Damn. Wow. Just look at this, guys. This old office. Wow. They just left behind everything. They just up and left one day. Wow, that's a nice sound. Water-based cannot freeze. That's fun. But just look at how much stuff they just was like, you know. Can we just establish though for a second how much is just left behind? Like, I can't even fathom just getting up one day, coming to work, and then they're being like, the track is closing. Don't take anything with you, leave it all behind. I couldn't even fathom coming to work and having that happen.
Right.
You guys, look at this. The old, like, announcer suite. This is cool. This is super cool. Back again, guys. The abandoned NASCAR track. Yesterday when we were here, we only checked out that over there. So we didn't get to finish our explore. Today we are back. We're finishing the explore today. We got these couple places up here to check out. And then we got the little garage area down there, possibly Winter Circle, and the little trailer thing that's in there. So yeah, stay tuned. We already checked out the flip side. I'm just excited to get a clearer video of this place. So thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok at I think Ghostly Urbex. Follow me on YouTube, Ghost Guy Explorations. Yeah, this looks like it used to be like a little thing for the track. There's also what looks like an abandoned boat back there. Wow. Much less stuff over here, guys, than was at the other part of this place.
No, Dennis, I told you tomorrow. Fire. Can't find good help anywhere.
And guys, I hate to break it to Kyle, but I bet that would have worked better if the phone was working. I don't know who Dennis is, but I bet Dennis has a working phone. Lots of phones left behind. And no money. So guys, we're approaching the garages. And this kind of race trailer thing. I don't even know what this is. It would be dope if there was a car left though. No cars, just spider webs and stuff. It's like kind of was a garage or something, but way over there, you never know. Yeah, guys, the time I spent literally every Friday night when I was growing up. This place means a lot to me, so to see it so abandoned is just, it's kind of heartbreaking, honestly. Just go back to kind of life after people.